Hi everybody, welcome to week 2 of our class, which runs from Wednesday, August 23rd to Tuesday, August 29th. Alright, our last week in August and into September, and hopefully good fall weather. Alright, again, please, every week, please watch the video message, because that gives you a tour of what's going to happen during the week. Here's my profile. I'll let you do that on your own. And remember, in case you have to call me, don't be afraid to call. I'll be glad to talk to you on the phone. However, since I don't have your phone in my contact list, it'll probably I usually let it go to voicemail, and then once I hear it, I then will call you right back. All right. Remember, in the discussion section, besides the discussion assignments, which are not every week, please remember that, there's the Ask the Professor folder. That's where you ask me questions about the assignments if you're confused. However, if you have questions about how to do the statistical calculation, please use the statistical tutors. They are there to help you. That's their job. Have them earn their pay. Ask them questions about how do I calculate this or that, and so forth. And later in this video, I'll take you to the tutoring center. And this is your, if you have trouble with the tutors, this is your telephone number to call. They're the ones that will help you with that, and so forth. All right. Remember your critical review assignment. It will be due October 17th. This is your article. In fact, let me see something here. There we go. All right, this is your article. I think it's in session 9 too. Your job right now, from now until midterm, is to read the article and to write notes about what the article is about. Okay, let's take that one off. Very good. And let's go back here. All right. I don't need that anymore. Let's take that off. Get my notes back up here. Very good. All right. So just start the critical review assignment. If you have questions about the article, that's where you would put them in the Ask the Professor folder. Statistical tutors cannot help you with the critical review assignment. And please remember, this is a 9-week assignment. No due date extension is due October 17th. And if you wish to submit your report to the Turn-It-In, this is information about that. Now, for week 2, you're going to need to put the tool pack in your on your Excel sheet. Let me show you that very quickly. All right, here it is. I'm going to get back to this. To put the tool pack on, you just go up to File. You go down to Option. You go to Add-ins. Make sure down here the Manage says Excel Add-ins. Go to Go. Now for I checked the top 2 boxes and the bottom box. That's what I clicked, and that's what I suggest you do. And then press OK, and your tool pack should be up here. If you press Data, go to Data Analysis. That's your tool pack. That's what you're going to be putting in your because here's your descriptive statistic tool pack that you're going to be using. So please put that on. If you have any questions about that, ask me and watch the videos that go with it. Let's put that back down. All right. You're going to be doing pivot tables, so here's some videos to help you and a website to help you. Your only assignment this week is homework 2. It's due Tuesday, August 17th. Yep. No, excuse me. It's due August 29th. Make sure I correct that. One good thing about doing these videos, I can correct myself. Yeah, August 29th. Make sure I do that. And let's go back to the sheet. Alright. This is your... Make that a little... Alright. Please, on the title page, please type your name in someplace. Here, or there. Just so I can see it. Now, when you go... One thing I suggest is... Let's put data up here. I suggest you take each column, copy, and paste into one long column. That's just my suggestion, and so forth. I think you can figure out the rest. And all your answers will go in these highlighted boxes. Please put them in there. If you put your answer someplace else, please write a note. Let me know where to find the answer. If I don't see them in there, I assume you just skip the question or the problem. And this is very important. Do not skip any problems. Attempt all problems, because you will get credit, a point here, 1 or 2, just for trying. So try. All right. So you got 1, 2. This is about the pivot table. Make it larger. You can read the directions. All your directions are up here. And here's some data you're going to need for the pivot table. You can do frequency. Here's all the data you're going to need, and so forth. And again, if you have questions about how to do the calculator, that's where you go to the statistical tutors. And finally, you're going to be making charts and tables and so forth. I'll let you read that over. So that's your assignment for this week, is the homework 2. All right, let's go to class. Let's skip that for a moment. All right, to get to homework 2, go to content section, go to week 2, and here's your homework 2. This is very important. Once you click onto it, make sure you press download, because that will download it to your computer, and I'm sure you all know that. But in the past, I've had some students saying, "How do I get to the homework 2?" And I say, "Download it to your computer." All right. Let's go back here. Content. All right, again, I always suggest start at the top, work your way down through the various folders. This is my PowerPoint, and so forth. And again, here's how to add the Excel, which I've already shown you. Let's go to week 9. All right, this is your assignment. Here's your article, which I've already shown you. Here are the this is your, make sure you click into this, because this is the directions. So make sure you download the directions to your computer. Okay, and to help you, let's go back here. The university has supplied you a template. You will use this template. This has all the subheadings you need. So please use this template. If you don't use the template, points will be deducted. So please use the template. Thank you. All right, let's go back up. I'm going to go back here. I'm scrolling up. I think I said all I need to say. If you have any questions. Oh, wait a minute. Hang on. Oh. Tutor. To get to the tutor, you go to academic support, go down to tutor, click onto it, and your page will come up. It says welcome Stephen. So I'm there with them. And once this page comes up, press connect. These are some of the tutors. You can see some of the tutors. What you want to do is scroll down, and here, make sure our class is loaded. If not, you got your selections there. Select a subtopic. I don't think it really matters whether it's Excel help or statistic help. It's all the same. And here, type in your question. Press submit, and within 24 hours, tutors will get back to you. And what's good about this, you can actually select a favorite tutor to help you. So go ahead and explore that. All right, now let's go back up here. I think I said about all I need to say. Alright, this is Dr. Chasen, signing off.